Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply. Are you hearing me? Please reply in the chat box. I am waiting. Are you hearing me? Hurry up, reply, please. Okay, very good of you, Mehta. Walaikum assalam, Fatma. Walaikum assalam, all of you. And good morning. I'm waiting for some other students to come. Write your full names in the chat box for your attendance, please. Write your full names and come with your complete ID with your full names. Otherwise, I will not admit you. Very good of you, Mehta. Now all of you write your names in the chat box for your attendance. Your attendance will only be marked if you are writing your names in the chat box, full names. Okay. Now I'm going to start my today's lecture. It is English literature lecture. It is actually a revision lecture. So I want you to bring your English literature copies and books with you so that you will do the questions, whatever I'm asking in your revision. Okay, so I'm giving you 1 minute. Take your copies and books with your stationery. I have already told you in my previous lecture that there will be some classwork or some revision work in the lecture during the lecture. So it is English literature lecture. I'm Mrs. Afshin Imran. This is lecture number 35. Our topic is Macbeth. We are doing the review of Macbeth. Okay, very good of you. You have taken Mohammad Moise, your copies. Okay, very good of you. Fatma, show me your copy. Okay, you have taken your book. Very good of you. Okay. Ishal, show me your copy. Ishal Ali, why you are coming with 2 IDs? I am not admitting you. Please. Ishal Ali. Why you are coming with 2 IDs? Now I'm going to start my today's review. These are short question answers. I'm going to ask you the questions and you have to write these questions as well as answers in your copies directly. Okay? These all questions are about the play Macbeth. Question number 1 is, who Who was Macbeth? You have to write the answer. Yes. अच्छा, ये कैसे करते हैं मिस? कैसे करते हैं? तो सकीना की खुद की क्लास हो रही है, मिस आके रहने। अच्छा, ईश क्यों बंद हो गई? मेरे पास तो चल रही। ईशल दो नामों से आ रही है, दो आईडी से, मैं कैसे उनको एक्सेप्ट? ठीक, ओके, सही है, ठीक, ओके, ठीक। Open your cameras, please. Ishal, open your camera. Ishal Ali, open your camera, please. Okay, now, please tell me. Now it is clear. My voice is clear or not? Okay. My voice is clear. Fatma, please tell me. Moise, you, you are showing me your copy books. Now tell me who was Macbeth? Tell me the answer and then write in your copies. Please tell me the answer in the chat box. Who was Macbeth? No one is answering me. Ishal Ali. Palak Sher, okay, very good of you. You have shown me your copy. Now start working in it. Copy question number 1 and then start writing the answer. Ishal Ali, please turn on your camera. I want to see your copies and your books and you yourself. Mehda Advani, please. Okay. It's nice. It's good. Start working in your copies. Now, who will tell me who was Macbeth? Please tell me the answer. I'm waiting in the chat box. Write the answers, please. Hurry up. Don't waste the time, please. I'm waiting for the answer. You can take the help of your book. Nobody is replying. Why you are so late? Open your book and take the help from the book. I'm watching you are all are wasting your time. Why you are taking so much time to write one question only? Hurry up, tell me the answer. I'm waiting. Right in the chat box. Who was Macbeth? The simple answer, one line answer only. These are short question answers, so you have to write only one line. Hurry up. No one is replying. I'm waiting. There are other questions also. Mehda Advani, I'm waiting. Fatma. Ishal, turn on your camera, please. Tell me the answer. You have not read this play, Macbeth. No one is replying. Why? What you have written, Abdul Rahman? You have not written the answer. Just copy the question. Fatma, what you are writing, please tell me in the chat box first. Write in the chat box first and then write in the copy. Reply the answer in the chat box first. Students, are you hearing me? No one is replying. Yes. Mic is on. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply. Okay, please write in the chat box the answers. Okay, write in the chat box. Write the answer in the chat box. I'm showing you question number 2. Okay. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply again. Students, please reply in the chat box whether you are hearing me or not, because some of the students are confused and they are not hearing me properly. कैसे अभी तो मैंने नॉर्मल पे हटा दिया ना, अब क्या करूं मैं? अच्छा, okay, students, please, are you hearing me? Please reply the answers in the chat box. Okay, very good of you. Write the answers, please. Question number 1 was, who was Macbeth? And question number 2, which I have asked here, it is very easy. What did the first witch say to Macbeth? Do you remember when Macbeth was coming back from the war, then from the battle, then in an area, some of the witches appeared, and there were 3 witches, and they were saying something to Macbeth. Do you remember that? Okay, very good. Welcome, Macbeth. Welcome, the Thane of Glamis. Very good. Very good answer, Meda. Very good answer. Macbeth was Thane of Glamis, and later he became Thane of Cawdor. He was great nobleman of King Duncan. Okay. And you have to mention here also that he belonged to Scotland. Fatma Kareem, very good. The first wish said to Macbeth, welcome Macbeth, welcome the Thane of Glamis. Very good of you. Ishal Ali, turn on your cameras, please. Camera, please. Zimal, turn on your camera. I want to see your copies. Okay. Ali Rao, please. Turn on your camera. I want to see your copy and your work. Please open your cameras. Moiz, very good of you. You are working here in your copy. Very good of you. Falak Sher, please show me your copy. Rumesa, open your camera. Fatma, I can see you. Very good. You have done the questions. Now I am moving to question number 3. What did the second witch, Abdul Rahman, very good. You have shown me your copy. Very good. Okay, you are doing question number 2. Very good of you. Palak Sher, I am telling you, open your camera. Zimal, Ishal, Ali Rao, please open your cameras. Now, question number 3. Abdul Rahman, if you want to ask anything, please write in the chat box. Okay, Hassan. Okay, Hassan, it's okay. If you are not having the problem, it's okay. Ishal Ali, very good of you. You have shown me your copy. Very good of you. Okay, you are doing question number 2. Okay. Now, Zimal, open your camera. Now, question number 3 is, what did the second witch say to Macbeth? Please reply the answers in the chat box. The second witch said to Macbeth, welcome Macbeth, welcome Thane of Cawdor. Very good. Very good answer, Fatma Kareem. Very good. Now these are short question answers. It means you have to write the answers in just 2 to 3 lines. Okay, not more than that. These are short question answers just to review the lesson. Okay. Hurry up. Mehta Irfani, please leave the lines after each question. Leave the line. Do the work neatly and clearly. Okay, Zimal, you have not opened your camera. You have not shown me your copies. Rumesa, you have not shown me your copy. Please open your camera. Now I move to question number 4. What did the Macbeth tell his wife, Lady Macbeth? If you remember Macbeth, when he went to his home, he met his wife, who was known as Lady Macbeth. So what did he tell her at that time? You have to answer me that. You can take the help of your books. I have already told you that because I want just to review the whole lesson here so that you can understand the story and repeat the story. What did Macbeth tell his wife, Lady Macbeth, here? Now I'm showing you question number 3 again. What did the second witch say to Macbeth? Okay, do this question first. And then I'm showing you again question number 4. What did Macbeth tell his wife, Lady Macbeth? Now please reply the answer. Hurry up, I'm waiting for the answer. Write in the chat box. Hurry up, write the answers, please. Question number 4. Yes, Abdurrahman, I have seen your copy. Very good. You have done all questions, all 3. Now, Mehda Bani, you are doing question number 3. Very good. Very good of you. Rumesa, okay. Show me your copy again, please. Clearly. Okay. Very good of you. Very good of you. Okay. Now, hurry up, do question number 4 and write the answer in the chat box. What did Macbeth tell his wife, Lady Macbeth? Hurry up. Okay. Fatma Kareem, when for all the students, I'm explaining this question. When Macbeth went back home, when he met the witches, okay, he informed his wife. So you have to write that about that, if what he told his wife at that time. Okay. Yes, Mehda Advani, very good answer. He told his wife that he had met 3 witches and they have predicted that he will become the king. Very good answer. Very good answer. Okay. I have told you, Zimal, very good answer. He told all that to his wife, but you have to mention what he had told. Okay. Okay. Now I'm moving to question number 5. What did Lady Macbeth decide? It means when she had discussed all the matter with her husband, what did she decide? If you remember, Lady Macbeth was very much interested in money and power, and then she wanted to become the queen. So what she decided to do? How she could be the queen of Scotland? Any one of you, can you give me the answer of that question? It's very easy. What did she decide to do? Yes, Simal, very good answer. Very good answer. You all are understanding the questions. Very good. To make Macbeth the king. And because King Duncan was already the king of their place, so she wanted to murder King Duncan. Very good. She decided to murder King Duncan. Okay, but when you are writing the answers in the copy, na, don't write she, write Lady Macbeth. Start and remember this thing, when you are writing the answers for short questions, mostly you are starting the answers from the question. Like you can answer Lady Macbeth decided, because when we removed it, we make it second form. Lady Macbeth decided, and then after that you will have to write the complete answer. Okay. I hope you are understanding. Yes, Bilal, very good. She decided to kill King Duncan. Very good of you. Okay. Now I am moving to question number 6. What did Lady Macbeth advise Macbeth? When she decided to murder King Duncan, she advised Macbeth something. What to do? Now, who will give me the answer? Very easy answer. Very easy answer. What did Lady Macbeth advise Macbeth? Yes, who will give me the answer? Please tell me. Yes, Abdul Rahman, show me your copy. Ishal, show me your copy. Zimal, Ali Rao, please show me your copy. You have not shown me copy. Turn on your cameras. Hurry up. Tell me the answer. What did Lady Macbeth advise Macbeth? Who will give me the answer? Very easy. Tell me the answer. Hurry up. What was the advice of Lady Macbeth for Macbeth? Yes. Okay, Fatma. I'm waiting for your work. But first of all, write the answer here in the chat box. Then do in your copy. Okay? Open your cameras, please. Okay, Ishal, show me your copy. Hurry up. Okay, Fatma. Very good. What was the advice of Lady Macbeth for her husband? Yes, tell me the answer, please. I'm waiting for you. Okay. He told him to look innocent when his heart is evil. Okay. Lady Macbeth advised Macbeth they would pretend themselves as they know nothing about the murder. Okay. It is also right, but actually she gave the task to her husband to kill King Duncan, if you remember, and they um called him for dinner in their house, and at that time they have decided to kill him. Now I come to question number 7. What was the plan of Lady Macbeth? What was the plan? How she planned to kill the king? Okay, how she planned to kill the king? Hurry up, tell me the answer. What was the plan? How they killed the king? will give me the answer? What was the plan? Hurry up, give me the answer, please. What was the plan? How they decided to kill the king? Please tell me the answer first and then write in your copies. Now I am showing you another question. Why did Macbeth not want to kill King Duncan? This is question number 8. Why did Macbeth not want to kill King Duncan? Hurry up, please tell me the answer. Write down the questions in your copy only and write the answers afterwards. First of all, tell me the answers here in the chat box. You are wasting the time here because this is not the very long time is remaining. Only 5 to 6 minutes are there. So please only write the question and tell me the answer in the chat box. After that, you will complete your work in your copies. Okay? Yes, she gave poison in King Duncan's wine and security guard. Very good, Pilar. This is the plan that give the poison or some thing in the wine. Okay. Yes, Ishal, what do you want to ask? Please tell me. Ishal, do you want to ask anything? I'm just waiting for you. Actually, that was not the poison. That was some drug, okay, which she added in the wine of King Duncan and the security guards, okay. So make it correct. Now, next question is why did King Macbeth not want to kill King Duncan? What was the reason behind that? Yes. Moise, what do you want to ask? Please write the answers, or if you are not understanding, please ask me. Fatma. Yes, what you are telling me? Someone is using your name, Moise? Who was there? Macbeth did not want to kill King Duncan as he was so kind, loving, and caring. He had awarded Macbeth with many titles and they were relatives too. Very good answer, Fatma. Muhammad Moise Khan, okay, I'm checked. Because he was loyal to King Duncan. Ishal, Macbeth did not want to kill the king as he was kind-hearted and one of his relatives. Okay, very good answers. There is another question which I am showing you. Why did Lady Macbeth not kill King Duncan? Why did Lady Macbeth not kill King Duncan? Why she was not um, able to do that deed, that evil deed herself? When she entered the room of King Duncan, if you remember, she was very much upset because she thought that when she saw the king, she thought something uh, about his close relative. Do you remember that? So tell me the answer, please. Moise, open your camera, please. Moise, open your camera. Yes, Moise. Show me your copy. Okay, very good of you. Okay. Okay. Very good, Zemal. You have written the right answer because King Duncan was looking like her dead father. As she entered the room of King Duncan, she saw King Duncan as his dead father. Very good. Very good answers. But please, please write the answers and start the answers from the question. Remember this thing. I'm telling you again and again. Lady Macbeth did not kill King Duncan because like that. Okay? Lady Macbeth did not did not kill King Duncan because now I am showing another question. This is question number 10, the last for today. Why did Malcolm and Donalbain leave Scotland? If you remember, Malcolm and Donalbain were the sons of King Duncan. And after the death of King Duncan, they left Scotland. Do you remember why they wanted to leave that Scotland? And Malcolm was the elder brother, I think. Lady Macbeth's work was that to give poison to guards. Now, it was not poison, it was drugged wine. Okay, remember and see the complete spelling from your book. Now, this is the last question. Please tell me the answer. Why did Malcolm and Donalbain leave Scotland? Only 2 minutes are left. Hurry up, please. Write the answer, please. Tell me the answer first. Hurry up, any one of you. You can tell me the answer. Why did Malcolm and Donalbain leave Scotland? Yes, who will give me the answer? If you remember, they were very much afraid that the killer or the murderer could kill them also. If you remember that. Yes, okay. Now please tell me the answer. Again, initially you are coming with 2 IDs. Why? Malcolm and Donalbain leave Scotland, not left Scotland after murder of their father. They thought that the person who had killed their father for ruling the country will also kill them. Very good answer. Very good answer. Okay. I hope these questions are very much helpful for understanding or for repeating or revising the story. We will do some more questions in the next lecture. Okay, so you should be having your copy and your book with yourself tomorrow in the morning when there will be class. They thought that the murderer would kill them. Very good, Bilal. Very good answer. You all have given me right answers, but write them in the proper way in your copies. Okay. We will inshallah continue the play Macbeth with some other questions tomorrow. Now I want to stop here because time is over. Allah Hafiz.